Doing business in commercial real estate, especially in today's economy, isn't for the faint of heart. But for Rich Schuen, a skilled visionary with an entrepreneurial spirit, it's a time to thrive. Schuen is CEO and principal of Colliers International, Greater Columbus Region, a company which is owned locally and backed by one of the world's largest commercial real estate brands. Schuen and his team specialize in office, industrial, retail, and investment properties, and are able to offer an array of services all under one roof. Focusing on an all-Ohio strategy, the company provides the optimal solution for each and every customer. Schuen views the Columbus region as one open to startups and first-generation companies, with a pool of talent that can create value and innovative ideas. He focuses his professional life around building a team of the best and brightest, improving the team through mentoring, and winning new business by building relationships. The result? Colliers International, Greater Columbus Region, has established a foundation for even greater success in the future.